In this video, I want to share to all of you about how to make folded stack commercial building. First of all, we have to make any size of rectangle in here to make a base plane, and we can triple click and make group. And now we can make the rectangle or rotate rectangle. We can set the dimension. We can set the rectangle around 25 meter maybe, and for the depth of this building around 10 meter. Okay, then we have to push it up around 800 millimeter and triple click, make group. Okay, then we can select a move. We can right click and make component, create. Then we can select a move, press Ctrl, press to this position. Then we can push it, move it up until 3.6 meter. Okay, and then we can duplicate it again until this position. Okay, now we can get the 2-story of slab. We can make group and we can move to the another position over there. We can rotate it. Okay, then we can select a move, press Ctrl, and place to this position, and we can rotate this one. Okay, we can rotate until this position. Now we can select this triple slab, right click and make unique, and then we have to place to this position. Okay, then we can select a move, press Ctrl and place to this position. Okay, we can rotate this one until this position. Okay, and we can also make it more length than before, and then we can select make unique, and then we have to push it until this position. Okay, and it's the basic concept of the meshing building. Okay, now we can make the another rotate rectangle to make the glazing system. Okay, you have to offset it outside around 150. You can click this plane, right click and erase, and we have to push until this position approximately, and you can left this little space in here. We can triple click, make group. Okay, and also this one, we can select rotate rectangle, click from this position until this position. Okay, then we have to offset it outside around 150 and erase the plane, and we have to push it until this position. Triple click, make group, and also we can make the another glazing. Okay, we can make the another glazing in this position. Sorry, we can make the another glazing with using rotate rectangle. Okay, then we have to offset it outside around 150 millimeter. Click this plane, right click and erase. We have to push it up till this position. Then we can triple click, make group. Okay, and then we can assign with the another materials. We can using the glass materials there. Okay, then now we can make the another. We can make it larger about the base plane. Okay, and we can make the another style of the secondary skin of this building. We can make the another style with using the line. Okay, we can click from this position and this position and this one. Okay, and then or we can make the another line again in here. Okay, then we can push it to the front just a little bit and make group. Okay, or maybe we can just move this little line until this position. Then we can delete some unnecessary object. Okay, now we can select the line again. We can click from this corner, and this corner, and this line. Then we have to push it to the front. Okay, triple click, make group. We can select the line and click from this position. Okay, and then we have to push it to the front, triple click and make group. And also in this position we can using this line, we can draw the line in here. You can following my step in this part. We can using the line, then we have to push it to the front and make group. Okay, now we can assign with another metal materials. Maybe we can use this one for the materials, and we can also make the another space like this for the vertical, or maybe we can make the horizontal line in here. Okay, we can push it until the limit. And also this one you can make the another variation of the length, and you can use push tool to push it to the back. And also this one we can use push tool and push it to the limit. And also this one, and we can set the shadow in here, and we can deactivate the shadow, and we can also make the another elements with using the freehand tool to make the landscape. Okay, so this is about the landscape element in here, in the central point here. Now we can using the landscaping, click the grass area, and we can assign with another materials in here for example. Then we can also add the another component with using component sampler. We can use the tree and place to this position. Then we can select move, press Ctrl, or maybe we can change the materials with using the green glass materials in here. Okay. And now we can activate the shadow again, and now we can change the style. We can change the style to be this style. Okay, or maybe we can make the another color to make it more attractive. We can use the orange color. We can use the orange color in here, so it will be more attractive than before. Or we can use this orange. I mean this is more attractive anyway. Okay, we can also change the shadow orientation. With using a shadow option in here, we can make the shadow position like this. Okay. Okay, we can make the shadow like this. Okay, thanks for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial. You can improve for another elements to make it more detailed about the secondary skin and about the landscape, and many more things you can improve by your own exercise. And just wait for my next tutorial. Thank you.